Hello, in this video I will show you how to use the AI wallpaper generator in TECNO Phone. Alright, so let's start by opening the list of all applications. Here you need to choose settings, as you can see right here. And here let's choose the personalization. Under wallpapers, you can choose AI wallpaper generator. As you can see here, you can use your wallpaper generator. You can generate 6 wallpapers. So in my case, it will be my first wallpaper today. The counting is per day, so you can generate 6 wallpapers per day. And for example, let me generate wallpaper with football team, maybe Brazilian team. Playing game in space. Alright, this is my prompt. You can choose whatever you like. You can, as you can see, you can use 300 characters to describe your wallpaper. Let's choose the style. In my case, let me use the movie style and let's tap generate. Let's see what happens. And as you can see here, I've got my football player playing game in space. You can choose if you like your wallpaper, you can download it, or you can also remove it. And also you can easily choose this option, set as wallpaper. Let me do it. And wallpaper is successfully set. As you can see here, I've got my wallpaper. So everything works just fine. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.